Sookman, and I'm the principal of Virtual Team Builders. We help teams transition from face-to-face work to remote work, and we've been doing this for the last 30 years. It's a pleasure to be here. I hope everybody's staying healthy, staying well, and of course, staying connected. So today we're going to talk about something that we can't not talk about, and that's multitasking. I'm going to share two stats with you, and they're pretty staggering. The first stat is multitasking costs global businesses $450 billion a year. The second stat is people who multitask end up wasting 40% of their productive time. Also a pretty staggering stat. Now, when we are placed on mute, often what happens is we tend to multitask. We tend to disengage. Now, if we had this conversation even 3 weeks ago, I would have said to you, you have to stay off mute. The reality of today is that can't happen. We have families at home, we have our dogs at home, we have our significant others at home, and staying off mute is obviously problematic. We have to be in this time flexible, and we have to be tolerant. But how do we stay engaged, even though we're off mute? I'm going to share some tips in future videos, but I'm going to talk a little bit about it here. The first is that we have to make sure that our meetings that we have are valuable, and often they're not. We also have to make sure that our goals are clear, that we actually have a goal for our meeting. And our third strategy is that often what happens in virtual meetings is we are put on mute, and we're not asked to share our questions, our thoughts, and our opinions. And when that happens, what do? We also disengage. So it's important to be engaged and that the meeting is interactive. I'll leave you with that, and please stay tuned for future videos. I'm going to ask a couple of asks of you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share your thoughts with us. We'd like to hear your thoughts and your opinions, and click the bell to get notifications of future content. Please feel free to reach out to us. We are offering companies free mentoring. We're offering free webinars, and as I mentioned, we're also giving donations to Global Giving. For every contract that we receive in the next 3 months, we're going to be giving a donation to Global Giving. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you on the next video.